Do you want to better market and promote your shoe business by giving your customers an easy and interactive way of browsing the products your business offers? A product catalog can help improve your customer experience, especially if you're targeting an online audience. In this video, I'll show you how to create a product catalog for your shoe business. The catalog will look just like this. It's interactive and you'll be able to share it with your customers via link or QR code. I'm using an online platform called Winst. You can go to winst.com to create a product catalog like this. I'll go ahead and click the Create New button to begin. I'm now going to add my business logo, name, currency, email, and phone number. I'll click the Create button to create my catalog. Once your catalog is created, the catalog editor opens up. In the catalog editor, you have a View button, a Format button, a Share button, and a Delete button. The Format button lets you change the format of the catalog editor from 3x3 to 2x2 and vice versa. The Delete button lets you delete the catalog you just created. More on the View button and Share button later. There's also an Edit Catalog Details button that lets you edit your catalog details. To add my first product to the catalog, I'll click Create New. I'm now going to add my product image, name, description, price, and quantity. Now that I've entered all the information, I'll click Create to save it. To correct any mistakes I might have made when adding the product, I can just click on the product to edit it. I'm now going to repeat this process of entering a product for each of the products my business offers. Now that I've entered all my products and their respective information, I'll head over to the View button. The View button allows you to see the catalog from your customer's point of view and get a feel of how the catalog will look once you share it. The catalog also has a Format button for changing the format of the catalog from 3x3 to 2x2 and vice versa. It also has a Contact button which displays your business contact information. What I'll do now is interact and check through my catalog to make sure I've entered the correct information. Now that I've confirmed that everything is correct, my catalog is ready to be shared. I'll click the Share button. The Share button displays different options of how you can share your catalog. You can share it via a link, QR code, or you can share it directly on social media platforms like Facebook, WhatsApp, and X. Now that you know how to create and share a product catalog for your shoe business, we hope you create and share your own to give your customers an easy and interactive shopping experience. Thanks for watching.